Welcome to YOGATX. My name is Savannah, and this morning we're going to get you moving and grooving, but we're going to start down low and slow, and we'll work our way up. So before I talk your ear off, let's just begin down on the ground in a child's position. Basically means we'll be down on our knees, plant the hands, take the knees out just a smidge wider than the hips. Take a breath in, drop the belly. And as you exhale, press the front of the mat forward, driving the heels back. Take a moment to rest your forehead down on the ground, bending the elbows, softening the forearms towards the floor. Feeling the weight of your hips drive back towards the heels any more if you got it in you. Giving the hips a little wiggle and shift from left to right. Softly rocking the head, the forehead, rolling right to left. And back again. Taking a moment to sweep the hands back towards the ankles. Let the shoulders round over the thighs. Feeling the back of the heart puff up, almost as if you were growing a turtle shell here. We'll start with just 3 breaths in through the nose and 3 breaths out through pursed lips. Taking time to fully arrive in this breath, in this body, before anything else is asked of us today. With your next breath in, rising up all the way towards the knees, lift the hips off of the heels, sweep the arms over and above the head. As you exhale, softly sweep the hands behind the lower back again, grabbing onto one wrist, bow the head halfway down. Inhale, press the hips forward, roll the chest up, float the arms forward and up. Exhale, bowing down, grabbing the opposite wrist. Taking that one more time, breathe in, press the hips forward, reach the arms up. Exhale, this time hands down to the mat. Take a gaze at your thighs, bring them back to about hips width apart. Walk your hands off of the midline of the mat, just towards the right. Breathing in, drop the belly. As you exhale, push the ground away. Drive your sits bones back towards your heels, finding a little C curve of the spine, a stretch on the left side body. Breathing in to come back forward. Gaze forward, stretch the heart forward, and on the breath out, press through the palms, drive the hips evenly back to both heels again. One more time, breathing in, coming forward. Exhaling to press back. Keep the hips resting on the heels here. Walk your hands a little bit further forward towards the right. Rest your left ear on your left shoulder. 2 big breaths into the left side body. Feeling the shoulder girdle wiggle up. Almost as if you're going to gaze underneath the left shoulder and then the right. And then coming back forward, we'll walk the hands over and off to the left side of the mat this time. Drop the belly, gaze forward for a breath in. And as you exhale, push the ground away, drive the hips back towards the heels, feeling that C curve again in the spine. Breathing in, come back forward, almost like you were clawing the ground and pulling yourself forward. Exhale, rounding through the back, hips towards the heels, forehead towards the mat. Once more like so. And then we'll pause again, hips to heels, stretch on the right side of the body. If there's a little bit more you can give, walk the hands further over towards the left, rest the right ear on the right arm. Give your shoulder girdle a little wiggle from side to side as if you were gazing underneath one armpit and then the other for these 2 breaths. And coming back towards the middle of the mat, finding your hands and knees. Take a look at your thighs, trace them back underneath the hips. Bring the hands about underneath the shoulders and start to feel as though the rib cage could make a wide circle, bumping to one side, lifting up towards the ceiling, bumping over to the other side, and then dropping down. So I kind of picture this movement as like being inside of a tube, and I'm trying to scrape out the sides, the bottom, and the top of that tube. And that'll prepare you to be inside of a peanut butter jar. When you're inside of a peanut butter jar, you know how there's always that last little bit of peanut butter left in that we can never get. We're going to use our hips to scrape the back side of the jar, the head to scrape the lid, just finding some intuitive movements here. Closing the eyes, not worrying so much about what we look like, but focusing more on the movements that feel good. We'll stay here for 2 to 4 breaths, shifting the hips from side to side, circling the back, shifting one ear to one shoulder and then the other. And then as you're ready, go ahead and tuck the toes, lift the knees up, shift the hips up and back, crawl your hands forward towards the top of the mat, finding your first downward facing dog, but we're not going to stay still here. In the morning, it's always nice to keep moving, keep grooving, don't get stuck in little sticky bits, but instead be curious how you might drive one heel down as you pull the opposite knee towards your chest, and then transferring the other heel down and opposite knee towards the chest. And as you're pedaling out the legs here, stay light in the fingers. And using your thumbs to ground down, lifting the armpits up and away from the ground. Then taking a breath in. Exhale to drop the right knee down towards the mat. Directly underneath the right hip, we'll seal the left heel down so that we find ourselves in this triangular position within our legs. Bring your left heel in line to your right knee. Take a breath in to peel the left arm up. As you exhale, sweep the left arm underneath your right armpit. Let the heart and the nose turn down for a little rotation through the spine. Breathe back in again to peel it up. Exhale, left arm pulls under the right side of the ribs. Gaze underneath there. Try that 2 more times. Inhale to open that arm out wide. Exhale all the air out of the body as you reach under and turn the nose down. Last time here. Great. Step your left foot up towards the top of the mat. Reach the right arm up towards the ceiling. This time as you exhale, draw the left arm over the left ear. Give your hips a little bit of a wiggle forward and back. I like to let my left elbow bend, almost like a scarecrow arm. And then with your next breath in, reach the left arm back up. Step the left foot to the back of the mat. This time, hover it from the ground. Plant your left toes on the back side of your right foot. Turn your right foot down. Take a breath in, reach up, press the hips up. Exhale, turn back down towards the mat. Spiral the toes forward to face the hands, finding a downward facing dog, pedaling out the legs here. And taking a breath in through the nose again, pull the armpits away from the mat. Exhale, left knee drops down underneath the left hip. Right heel seals down to find that triangle shape between the legs. On an inhale, reach the right arm up, stacking the shoulders, leaning into that left wrist. Exhale to reach the right arm underneath the left side of the ribs, curl under, hug under. 3 more times with the breath. Big inhale. And an intentionally long and slow exhale. Get all the air out. Twice more. Press down through the left arm to reach up through the right. Exhale, under. After that next reach under, step your right foot up. You might plant the right hand there to help that right foot get up. Take a moment to twist, reaching that right arm up again. On an exhale, hug the right arm over the right ear. Let it kind of hang there. Rock the hip, shifting more weight towards the front foot and then towards the back knee. Stay here for 2 to 4 breaths. If there's any little suggestion or wiggle or shift that your body is urging you to explore, follow that. And with your next breath in, right arm reaches up, right leg steps back again. Hover it from the mat. Press out through the heel. Exhale, plant the right foot on the other side of your left foot just behind you. Turn the left foot to seal down. Press your hips straight up, reach up or behind you. Take a breath in again. Exhale, hands to the mat. Turn the toes down. Find your downward facing dog. Pedal it out. Take a look at your toes. Swivel all 10 toes to the left side of the mat, dropping the outer edge of the right foot, the inner edge of the left foot. Right hand underneath right shoulder. Large side plank here. Take a breath in. Press the hips up towards the ceiling. Exhale, left hand to left hip. Step that left foot up halfway towards the middle of your right thigh. Drop the hips down, gaze over the left shoulder. Breathe in, push down through the right arm, reach up and over through the left arm, arcing it over the side of the head. Inhale, reach towards the right foot, lower the hips. Exhale, arc over, plant the left hand, turn the left toe forward, step up with the right. Bow your head down for a forward fold. Stepping the feet back as you're ready. Finding a downward facing dog, pressing the hips up. Exhaling to turn all 10 toes to the right side of the mat. Drop the outer edge of your left foot, the inner edge of your right foot. Stack left hand underneath left shoulder. Take a breath in, right arm reaches up. Exhale, right foot steps and slides halfway up the mat. The toes stay facing in the same direction. With your next breath out, start to lower the hips. Reach your right hand towards the back of your mat, towards the left foot. Big breath in, reach up, power up, right arm over the right ear. Once more, exhale, lower down. Reach with the right arm towards the left leg. Inhale, over the ear, press the hips up, plant both hands. Step the left foot up, forward fold. Take 3 breaths. Breathing in to rise up as you're ready. Arms reach over your head. Grab the left wrist with your right fingertips. Exhale, lean towards the right. Gaze down towards the right. Take a bend in the knees. Slowly reach the hands so far over that you start to bow down to the side. Switch the wrist that you're holding. Left fingers around the right wrist. Complete that circle over to the side and up. Breathe in. Exhale, reverse the direction. Lean towards the left. Bend the knees. Start to lower down into a fold. Switch the wrist that you're holding. Inhale, rise up, leaning towards the right leg. Straighten. Switching the direction. Exhale towards the right, bending the knees, folding down. Left fingers around the right wrist, rising up, side bend towards the left. Exhale, release the hands behind the back. Clasp the fingers. Place the back of your knuckles towards the lower spine. Pull the elbows back, lift up through the chest, breathing in. Exhale, bend the knees. Release the fingers from the back, pointing them up towards the ceiling. Let the head hang for 2 breaths. Inhale, sit the hips back, unclasp the hands, reach up over the head. Exhale, palms to touch, thumbs to chest. Closing the eyes, finding the heartbeat, finding your footing underneath you. Connecting back to the breath. Moving forward from here into the rest of your day. Namaste.